Good day, viewers. Walter here. The sun has just about gone down behind the trees. Welcome to a day in the life of a bean plant. And what we're looking at here is my bean tree. I can't believe that thing is actually growing a limb. And all I did was cut it completely off and stick it in the ground like a post. There's no roots unless it's growing roots. But this is my bean tree, and this is a video of the day in the life of a bean plant. Back around April, Easter, I guess it was, sometime around then. They were just a little dried bean stuck in the ground. Now my bean plants starting to grow their vines. And I'd say they're probably 10, 12 inches tall. I gotta get out here in the next day or two and put some more strings to get them going up here. If I don't, they'll get all tangled up amongst each other, and I want to kind of train them up them strings. But I think we're going to do pretty good on my beans this year. Most of the beans did pretty good. That one there is kind of stunted, but this one here, I've got them planted 2 or 3 inches apart. I'm going to leave them that way. They ought to get downright crowded when they get to growing up this tree. But I'm looking forward to some beans. I got out here and did a little bit of weeding. I need to do some more. What I'm out here this evening for, I've already watered tomato plants and beans earlier in the day. But I got some Miracle-Gro stirred up in this bucket. Check out them tomatoes. 2 of them. One of them about big as a tennis ball. My tomato plants are really starting to take off now. I look for them to sprout up pretty good over the next month. I just got to thinking maybe some Miracle-Gro would be in order of the day. And give y'all a chance to see what it's like to be a bean plant for a day. It is a very pleasant evening. Usually every year I work some Epsom salts into the earth when I plant these. I forgot to do that this year. Hope I don't wind up regretting it and getting a bunch of blossom end rot. You know what that is, folks? It's got a lovely smell. It's honeysuckle. Those vines will choke that gardenia bush to death if I don't get out here and cut them back. Honeysuckle has a very pleasing smell. Put that on my list of things to do. Arthritis is really bothering me today. I cut grass today, entire front yard. Well, the flowers that I planted up here are really starting to take off. These are the ones from Jack's garden last year, and I just saved some of the seeds on the front porch in a plastic bag. And they look like they're going to do all right. Easter lilies are getting ready to bloom pretty soon. Maybe tomorrow we'll take that top off that engine. Front yard's looking really nice. Somebody must have cut it today. I cut a bunch of limbs too. A whole truck full of limbs.